Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well and safe. So today we are again start our meeting. Also, we have about minutes more. Let's our other participant will join us. My connection a bit sometimes crash, but I hope everything will be okay. So, according to our schedule, we have 3 competitors who probably 1, 2, yeah, 3 who probably miss the deadline. I'll just try to check. Катерин, у нас на почте все 5 участников прислали? То есть на почту все, да, прислали? Просто у нас, значит, мы сейчас покажем, как прикреплять Google классу, чтобы у нас просто там тоже закрылось. Окей. I'll just talk to my colleague to understand that all the competitors from our session sent already their works via Google email, which we put in the task. Okay, so let's a bit wait. We have a new faces and new participants. That's amazing things. We are almost 50 members in our group. That's incredibly outstanding things, because I really like that we are growing like a huge family. And I hope that close to Shanghai 2021, we will be more than 100. Good morning for everyone who will just join us. I hope you are well, your mood is very good, and you are ready to have a new day of our communication and collaboration. So now it's 8. I think we could start already our training. Anna, thank you very much. Yes, of course, I will record our meeting, because it's a great memory also for our future, and training for the countries, just to show how it's possible to organize the training. Thank you very much and have a nice day there. So it's almost 20. Usually we have 27. I think we can start. I would like to say very warm hello to everyone. And before we start to talk about our agenda for today, I will try to remind you what we will have today, what we will talk today. We will clarify some process of our work, because I think some misunderstanding also could be available during our communication. But at the same time, I'm really, really proud of all of you, because in the end of our day yesterday, we had 12 competitors who develop the test project. I think this is some kind of quiet victory of our communication and collaboration, because finally we prove ourselves and we show everyone that we could be in the stage, and we could organize a quite good quality of competition in skill industrial design technology. So today we will talk about how possible to organize the assessment procedure during the online training or an online competition. We asked yesterday all the competitors who will make or who will do the test project model 1 sketching had to send their work till beginning of our session today via Google Classroom. Just loaded these files there, and also send the files into the email which we provided inside of the model task. So I checked the site. Let me start recording. I checked the site, and we have there just two competitors who loaded their task into the no, free already. Good. So we just missed two Uzbekistani competitors. I will just try to find them in our chat. Let me also find myself. I'm sometimes lost. So what about our Uzbekistani participant? No, we don't have them yet. Okay, so we will help them to join us a bit later. I hope that they will join us today. Otherwise, we will have to change a bit the group of judges to make the assessment procedure. So we have a free competitor who already downloaded their test, their project in a Google form. You may see here that they already sent it, their work. And this is amazing. It means that they understand the process of going and participation in the competition. I promise in the group that I will explain a bit, take some time to explain the observers, expert observers, what is going on now. So yesterday, as you know, we assign the test project model for each shift. And today, before we start, competitor had to do this model and send their works back. And now today we have the assessment procedure or assessment day when the expert mostly will work and assess the competitor works. We already prepared all the test forms for the our session. So this is all the task which expert who decided to make the assessment will do today. But according to the rules, if you know that in the judgment, we have to have 3 main judges and 1 who will exchange the experts from the same country. We already set this this group of experts. So each test, according to the judgment, you may see here the J, which means that's the judgment test, already have minimum 3 experts inside who will make this judge for each competitor. I would like to say which competitor, so we will provide the folder where all the competitors' work will be applied for each folder, and the folder will have the name of number of the competitor. And when you are going to the test, you just need to find the number. Then in the top, you may see the link to the competitor's work, and go inside this folder, find the number competitor, and inside you will find their work. After that, you see the work, go through the test, just make the score from 0 to 3. How it will be organized, my assistant will explain today. after when they introduce to you all the aspects which we will use during our day. So this is what we will do today. So first of all, it will be some introduction from my colleagues, and then we will organize the process of judgment. Then we will talk about the measurement. Again, my colleagues will explain what kind of criteria and aspect we have for this procedure. And then we will organize the process of measurement for all competitors who provided for us their task project. So I would like to introduce my colleagues, Kirill and Ekaterina. They will be lectors today. And if I will also be here, I will help them just to organize and provide this day today. Also, Yepu, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, good, because we don't have the interpreter from English to Chinese. What do you think? Do you need to translate from English to China for your colleague and also team from North China?
Okay, I will translate it for them.
Yeah, thank you very much, because other days we will have again Camila with us, and it will be quite easy to provide some translation for the Chinese team. So Kirill and Ekaterina, please make a pause just to give the poor time to translate into Chinese. I think we will have today quite challenge to talk, because it's quite, we're non-native speakers also, but I think we will manage everything. Just Kirill, please talk quite slowly to be sure that who understand everything what we would like to share with others. So now I stop my sharing screen, and Kirill, Ekaterina, please introduce yourself and sharing your screen to show everything what you need to show. Kirill, you are on the floor.
Hi everyone, my name is Kirill. My surname is Sergienko, and today I spent the day of our meetings.
Who you may translate. So when we will make a post, this is the post for translation.
Ekaterina, don't speak.
这个是一个专家啊，那个跟我们一起参与这个活动，但他是什么我没听太清楚。然后等一下的话，所有的这个过程的话，我会承担一个翻译的这个角色啊。然后刚才他说的是这个 Google Classroom 里面的这个提交的这个选手提交的情况，和这个今天他们要专家要打分的这个列表啊。那刚才他说的那个有主观分和客观分啊，具体的什么样的话，等一下我们再一步步看。OK。
Okay, today I will talk about the participants' works is assessed using examples.
他现在是要教我们怎么样去做这个评价的，参与者怎么样去做这个评价的这样一个过程。啊，这个专家是专门教我们怎么样做评价的。
Now we'll start, and the first conference conditions during our meeting, it's keep your video on, be mute while you aren't speaking, be unmute while you are speaking, keep visible your name and country region. Evaluating procedure and marking scheme. Assessment requirements. On this slide, you can see how organized all our work and how makes assessment requirements.
这张 PPT 里面讲的是这个我们应该去怎么样做这个评价的 这个过程，还有这个打分表。
Okay. Marking scheme. The test project marking scheme is a set of criteria for assessing the quality of the test project and the skill of the competitors. It's okay.
这是那个打分表啊，打分表是那个我们的评价的过程的其中一部分啊，主要是评价我们的选手提交的这个输出的这个质量。
Aspects are measurement and subjective. The weight of one aspect should not exceed 2 points. It is imperative to know that first we check the judgment so that our impression of the work doesn't affect the measurement.
这个打分呢，它这个差距啊，如果是那个主观分的差距，不能超过2分啊。
Okay, and now we are starting.
Please slowly, a bit slowly, no rush. Thank you.
Okay. Judgment. Judgment aspects, comparative aspects with the benchmark of industry standards. Evaluated by a group of 3 people under the supervision of a 4th experienced person appointed by the chairman of this group.
主观分的这个评判规则啊，是根据这个工业设计的这个标准来进行的，然后它是由一个3人的这样一个这个专家组组成啊，在这个主专家的这个分配下来进行这个评分。
You can see the grading rules on the following slides.
你可以看到它下面的这个评分的这个组成。
Judgment procedure not measurable but evaluated by a group of 3 experts have 4 variants of ratings 0, 1, 2, 3 are evaluated according to the subjective evaluating procedure and the difference between the scores should not be than 1.
这个主观分它的评价是由3个，从这张图上可以看到由3个专家组成啊。我们有4个评判的标准是0、1、2、3。我们这个评判的这个是由这个主观的一个评判过程啊的这个我们的这个分差不能超过1。
No experience, no knowledges or not attempt. 1. There is knowledge and understanding of the specifics of the profession. The quality is acceptable for use.
0分就是那个没有任何经验的，没有任何知识的，而且甚至没有参与的，就是给他打0分。如果是打1分的话，是相对于他是能够对现有的知识能够有一定的理解啊，能够有一定的专业知识，然后他的这个输出的质量是可以被接受的。
Point 2. There is knowledge and experience, quality at a high professional level. Point 3 is a masterpiece and extremely rare result.
2分是指这个他有一定的这个专业经验，而且他的输出是一个比较专业的一个高水平。3分是指他是一个专家级的，然后他的这个达到了完美的这样一个输出的一个结果。
The next example of evaluating process, judgment, and measurement. The first criteria are manual sketching, and we can see showness of sketches, images, aesthetics. Sheet 1 and sheet 2. I do it 2 examples with not good work and master work. On left work, you can see how point you can поставить.
Sorry，它这个是一个那个案例啊，这个是一个 讲怎样打主观分的案例，然后他这个是一个主观分的一个评价表，他现在来做一个示范，给大家看一下是怎么样去评判这个主观分数。
On left sketch, you can. What's Andrew, please?
I'll just say in translation from стоять to stand.
Stand, yeah. On the left sketches, you stand 1 point or nil point, because on this walk haven't all the 2 points and the 3 points.
这个是左边这个评价，它是0分到这个3分，然后这个它可以给到这个2分或者是3分。
On right walk, you can see how professional competitor is walked, because his walk have artistic value and expressive, attractive, and encourage to review and examine them. But you, like experts, can stand 2 point, because you can see some mistake on that walk.
好，然后右边这个它是画的一个比较好的一个比较美感的，然后但是它也有一些错误啊，它可能能够给到一个2分的这样一个形式。
The next, realism of shapes. You can see to walk again, left and right. Your point of left walk, I think 1 point or 2 points, but not it's nil point, because sketches have имеется.
Have.
Yes.
左边这张是另外一个那个案例啊，然后他现在给到的是1到2分，2分这样子一个标准。
The next criteria, representation of color and texture solution, sheet 1 and sheet 2. I'm again examples to walk. On this walk, you can see how Andrei, I'm sorry. Что различать, что, короче, это на тройку, это на единичку, опять-таки, работы.
So you may see the difference between two works which we present on the slide. In the left side, you may see some colorful solution for the object, and from the right side, you may see that the work was presented without any color solution. It means that you could split your mark. For the left side, you can raise your mark, and for the left side, you will make a less mark because the color solution it isn't provided or absolutely not present here. Who?
OK， 左边这张它是有上了颜色的，但是右边这张它是没有上了什么颜色啊。然后所以的话，这个如果是对于这个评价标准的话，现在它打分的这个是色彩和这个材质的这样子一个解决方案的这样一个标准。那这样子的话，左边这张它就会给高一点的分，然后右边这张它就会给低一点的分数。
Kirill, before you are going further, I will just make some small note here. For each aspect which we will show you in judgment part, you may see a small explanation for each score you would like to use for each work. So for 0, we have an explanation or description. For 1, we have a small description. For 2 and for 3. This is help you to understand more what kind of score you could you could provide for each competitor when you will assess their work. Cool.
它这个打分标准上面也有写的一些这个打分表里面也有一些标准啊，这个标准是可以让专家来参考，该是怎么去给他这个根据这个色彩的这个方案来去给这个左边和右边这两幅这个作品他们之间的这个分数的。
Thank you, Kirill.
And you need to know that 1 point is not bad, it's a good work. You don't panic with 1 point, stand you some experts. It's good to work. The next, drawing quality of different types of lines. On this, you can see. On this slide, some. Так, здесь, короче, ошибка. Mistake on 1 point and 2 point. On here, on there, you can see GOST. It's our Russian standards. It's like ISO on the world, international standards.
这个 GOST 它是在这个里面，它是一个俄罗斯的他们自定义的一个标准啊，然后它是具体是什么我也不知道啊，这个它是按照这个标准来对这项来进行评判的。
Kirill, I will also add some more. So on this aspect, you may see that two competitor works provided on the slide have a different techniques to use a line to make a sketch. And this aspect try to find and try to check the quality of using these techniques to make a sketch. And the small description for each score give you some help to understand which each sketch could get 0, 1, 2, or 3. For example, if we will look at these pictures, I think the left side sketch will get a less point, and the right side picture will get, or sketch will get a higher points, because the presentation of the techniques to use a line for sketching in the right side better or higher quality, and the left side poor quality.
它这两幅这个给大家展示的是怎么样评判这个线条啊，这个怎么样去使用这个线条来进行手绘啊。左边的这个它就明显会差一些，所以它会给低一点的分数，然后右边它这个显示的这个会更高质量一些，所以它的右边这个会在这个评分项里面会打到更高的一个分数。
Before we are going further, I again, Kirill said before that the 1 point score, it's not bad. 1 point score, it's a standard which could be applied for most of the industry standards in any country of participants. 0, it's a low than standard. 2, it's a higher than standards. You may see some kind of very unique techniques or very innovative techniques which competitor to apply for the sketches. And 3, it's outstanding master, the amazing high quality of presentation, the sketch, which you have never seen before. So this is 3 points.
它这几个评分的标准是这样的，就是那个1，它是一个工业的常用的一个标准，这个标准其实已经能够满足工业设计的这个基础的要求了，而且在每一个国家里面它都是适用的。然后2，它是一个专业的这种水平了，已经是在专业上面已经表现得不错。然后3是一个那个非常高的这样一个水平，就是已经达到了大师级的，然后是甚至是没有见过这么好的这样一个标准的这样一个结果。0它是一个就是比较差的，就是完全是没有一个专业的这个水平的这样一个标准。
Thank you, Kirill.
The next light source position, sheet 1 and sheet 2, it's light source is positioned in the most suitable position for the viewer and blends in the well with the sheet layout on the walk. On the right walk, you can see light on the brush, and the left walk you cannot see the light on the fan.
Fan?
Да?
Fan? Fan? The same
Okay.
word, fan.
这个它现在是打的是那个光源的这样一个定位的这样一个这个评判这个手绘啊，因为左边这块它没有太明显的这个光源的这个显示，因为它没有阴影啊，这个只有一点点这个暗部啊，它的右边这块它的这个高光，还有它的这个暗部啊，它的转折，还有它阴影就比较明确啊，它就可以明确看到是这个光源的这个方向啊，所以右边这个打的分数会比左边的更高一些。
Carry on. Wait a bit. Yeah. I will also add some notes for clarification. So here we will provide 2 examples when, according to our yesterday masterclass from Anton, one competitor used techniques which could show the light from the side, and they use some glossy techniques to show from which side we have a light resource. From the left side of the picture, we can't find any ways how the competitor use the shadows, use the glossy surface on the object to show the light source.
我跟你说，你不晓得人家晚上就好疯狂。我昨晚睡了噻，今天早上在那儿一看，你晓得垃圾桶里头多了好多东西不？
哪位在那个什么？
买的蛋糕吃完了，一小块那千层蛋糕啊，还有一包泡面。
Sorry。
一袋子，还有喝的乱七八糟的碳酸饮料，疯不疯狂？
哪位在打电话？那个静一下音好吗？
天天叫我给他买炸鸡吃，我说你莫吃那些东西。
That's no moment.
天天让我给他买宝爷炸鸡。
Colleagues, everything is
okay. I translate again.
Okay.
刚才那个。
你明天都买下去气泡水。就说那个没得糖。今天中午吃饭在吃
刚才这个昨天的那个大师的过程啊，他那个
你这还吃的健康嘛？
Colleagues,
那总得喝
西瓜。你敢不敢给我买那个大西瓜啊？你给我买个，我把它吃得完的。因为我不敢。我说我晓得你吃完大中午。
Colleagues, please stop talking.
他的钱都买水果都吃完了嘛，水果还贵的。
这样子，fruit。
My God.
Colleagues.
地瓜。
In a telephone call, so I can translate for the order.
是吧？你早上皮花也懂的，你还不花，你看好像不看像是无意。
我觉得你的胖儿。
你说只要你感受到脸都吃肿，反正。
Colleagues, I just would like to stop this conversation in Chinese. You are on the international communication and collaboration, and if something misunderstanding during our meeting, now we stop to have any translation into Chinese, and apologize for some misunderstanding before. I'll just try to help you to understand more about the procedure and aspect from skill industrial design technology. If something was going wrong, now we stop to translate in Chinese and talk only in English here. And it's your responsibility to understand what we're talking about here. and translate to your expert in your local dialect of Chinese or other languages. From this moment, we are not translate into any your local language in this day, just to not make any misunderstanding or any other problems from our communication and collaboration. I think I'm quite clear explain how we will go further. Please be understandable and try to apply these rules during our communication and collaboration. Because I'm always try to ask you to help me just make the comfortable condition to communicate. And if you need any other translation, we have a Telegram chat, just write there any questions and any request if you needed something. But if you didn't write anything, it means that everything is okay for your comfortable participation in our training. Thank you very much for understanding. We will continue to talk, and Kirill, you could continue. Thank you.
The next aspect, proficiency in the technique of the chosen sketching method. You can see some different techniques on this slide, in the right walk and the left walk. I think you stand on this walk one point, because on the right and the left walk haven't not bigger than standard. That's okay. Right.
I will try to add more notes. So we will try to find a quite normal or quite good examples how possible to look at the competitor works and try to understand the professional level of using different type techniques and chosen sketching methods or techniques to provide the sketches for experts. And here we choose two works from the last international competition, and we guess or we suggest that all two works are not in the higher level, and probably you could put for each sketch the points which could around 1 or 2 points of this technique. Please, dear participants, keep your microphone on mute if you are not speaking with us. Thank you very much.
The next slide is font graphics. You can see on the left and the right, you can see like font difference. On the right slide is not good, and not many more people can read this text because it's not
clear,
because it's not clear. In the right or in the left walk, you can see like font is readable and very clear. Yes. And more clear.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. So on this slide, we will talk about the aspect which is connected to font graphics or any other skills from the competitor, how they can use font rules and visibility of the fonts on their sketches. And according to the small description from 0 to 3, you may see that the sketch from the left side we could set more points than from the right side, because the fonts and which they use and decorate the text have a higher quality of presentation instead of the right side sketches. Thank you, Kirill.
The next slide is general informational value of sheets. It's like your information presented on the sheets. You can see on the left walk gives a complete idea of the project and additional information about the design object. There's a name of the project and what's material on this object and some
Exploding diagram.
small and different details on
Exploding
the
diagram.
And the right, you can see for this brush and only how can use this object, and that's small point.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
On the right, I stand 1 point. On the left, I stand 2 point.
Okay, thank you, Kirill. So on this slide, you may see the aspect which is connected to general information value from the sketch. And we have here 2 examples. And if you see on the left side example of sketches, you may see so many different ways of providing the information about the object. For example, you may see the name of the object, you may see the materials which they applied for this sketch, you may see the different type of scenario of working with this object, and also you may see the small explosion diagrams of the elements from the object. In the right side of the sketch, we can see only the different type of scenario to how possible to use this object. So the left side sketch included a less information from the right side, from the left side pictures, and it means that when you will judge, you may put a higher score for the left picture and less score for the right picture. Thank you, Kirill.
The next is accuracy of sketches and the left sketches and the right sketches. I think that's not
not so dirty.
Not so dirty work, and I think that 1 or 2 points of the 2 sketches.
Okay, so this aspect which you may see on the slide, don't be afraid that we sometimes use the same examples. It's just to help you to understand how you can judge this aspect. On this slide, we are talking about the accuracy of the sketch. So how the competitor could use any composition rules and any harmony of presentation to provide understandable and accurate sketch for the experts. And according to these 2 examples, Kirill said that they are made made in the same level of accuracy quality. So it means that they're not so dirty about the composition and misunderstanding about the composition. You can't see here any extra elements which competitor probably could use during the sketching, and it means that they could be judged in the same points as in the same points. Thank you. Kirill.
The next criteria, skills in using graphic editors, and now we'll start.
So this is okay. So we start the process of judging.
Okay. Now we'll start the process.
No. Let's go. I understand. I mean, understand. Sorry, participants. So now we are going to another part of judgment procedure, which is connected to digital sketching. So before we are talking about the aspect which is connected to manual sketching, and now we will talk about the aspect which we usually use for digital sketching. Go on. You don't have this?
It's not downloading. I got it.
You can check a bit.
Start.
No worries. You can check. We are humans and could make some mistakes.
I'm restarting this.
Do you have a slide?
No. Slides have, but it's not open. In the left, where slides, I see him, but on the main slide,
you can use without presentation a slide just to show the slide.
Oh, now that's right. Okay.
We will continue. We apologize just for some technical issues. Please be patient. You just could go by on this without any presentation, if it's okay. Yeah, just use a slide because it's visible. Yeah.
Informational value, it's sheet free because a digital sketch and this you can see some information on the sketch, only that.
So usually the aspect which we use for digital skills sometimes have the same meaning as for manual sketching, but you know that during the development of digital sketch, usually competitor needs some another skills to provide the same information about the object.
The next is showness. It's like effect wow. If you see and you want to buy this, it's very good product. But I see on that slide and I don't want to buy this.
So on this slide, we have an aspect which we usually try to check from the digital sketching, which about the emotional impact. When you look at the digital sketching, you try to understand what kind of emotionals you get, and how much attractive the sketch, and what kind of level of digital skills competitor provided for us to make the object in editor software.
The next slide, it's like in manual sketching, it's a light source position. You can see like light on this object. The light source is positioned in the most suitable position for the viewer, and blends in the well with the sheet layout is the reflected through shadows, glare, reflexes, perfectly highlights the volumes and texture of the material on that wall.
So in this aspect, we usually judge how the competitor could use the light source in the digital sketch. So how they can, again, to show any glossy elements, any shadows from the element, and it's again connecting to the theory from the masterclass yesterday, when Anton tried to help you to understand that this is quite important things from the physical conditions of providing the object.
It's trouble.
No, Winnie? Yes, something's going wrong. Maybe you can close the presentation and open again. You use from Google Drive or from the computer?
Oh, I can see.
The day 5.
Oh, no.
Yeah. No rush, no rush. Everything is okay. Today we have a very difficult day, especially about the judgment and other things. I'm not sure that in a preview it will be much better to use.
But
you can.
It's not downloading, but yes. The next is composition in a graphic editor. It's like.
Can you be bigger? Can you make a bit bigger by the scaling?
Масштаб.
Yes, scaling. Okay, yeah, good.
On composition in a graphic editor is like the canvas layout includes the relation between graphic elements, between graphic and font elements, has a compositional center, elements balance relative to the canvas, reasonably use compositional means, and the others on this walk.
On this slide, you may see the object, or you may see the aspect which is connected to composition in a graphic editor. It means that here the judges have to look at the digital sketch and understand how the competitor provided the composition of the object, how they use the artboard for the object, and what kind of harmony, what kind of balance, and what kind of composition center they used to make the digital sketch.
The next is Polygraphic Solution. That's the selected typefaces match the project nature, which ensures readability of the main text and the display of the title, the line length, and the some other.
So on this slide, we check the digital sketch according to the polygraphic rules of provided any pictures, any graphics, and any typography to present the project on the sketch. It means that here we will try to understand that competitor could use any polygraphic rules for presenting their job, and it doesn't mean that it will be printed. It means that they know how to use a text, how it's possible to decorate the text, how possible to decorate the elements from the sketch, just to make a clear information about the object.
The next is color scheme and illustration adjustment. You can see on this sketches like the author is walked. The images presented have realistic proportions, not grainy in particular. The colors have been adjusted, and when combining the images, the smaller images scale matches the larger. On that, you can see.
On this slide, you may see the aspect which is connected to color scheme and illustration adjustments. So here, when the judges look at the digital sketching, have to understand what the quality of color competitor choose for the object, how they use this color scheme for the sketches, and what kind of operation, what kind of options competitor choose to provide a higher quality, colorful sketch for the judgment.
The next
slide, yeah.
Building represent perspective. You can see what is it, perspective. The sketch is convey the perspective through proportions realistically. The foreground is highlighted. The background has been elaborated in less detail. The vanishing point is defined correctly, and many more. That's.
So on this aspect, usually we check the skill, how the competitor could make the perspective of the object, and how they use the techniques to make the perspective of the object.
And that's all. The next is measurement.
So now we make some small introduction just to help the experts who will make the assessment during our training for competitor works. Until now, we have 4 competitors who sent it and who downloaded their works to make the assessment procedure. So now Ekaterina, my colleague, prepared the folder of the competitor's work to start the process of assessment. Until she makes this folder, I will explain how we'll organize this procedure. For that, I need to know that all the experts who apply the judgment procedure for this day are here, and I will just announce the name of the judge, and you just let me know in Zoom chat that you are here, because I'm not seeing all of you in the same time, and I need to understand that you're here and ready to start the judgment procedure. So here we have just 25 participants, and I'm not seeing all of you to make a judgment. So first of all, for today, we have the experts, the judge experts, Qiangung Huang from South China, from Zhejiang Technological University. Are you here? Qiangung Huang.
Chen Jun Huang. Do you mean Chen Jun Huang?
Yeah, Chen Jun Huang.
Yeah. I stay with him.
Good.
Yeah,
So,
I'm here. I'm here.
Good. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Because we are just start making the assessment judgment for the competitors, and I'm just trying to understand that all the experts who will make the judgment are here. Thank you. So next expert who will judge the competitor works today, it's Anton. from Russia. Anton, are you here? We have the expert, Dr. Fan. Lisa, please let me know that Dr. Fan is here.
Yes, Dr. Fan is on the line. Let me confirm. Wait for a moment.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
We will explain how he needs to work. So just don't be afraid. We just need to know that he is ready to work today.
Yes, in the morning I've talked with Dr. Fan. I think he understands how to work with other experts to do the assessment. Thank you.
Great. Okay, that's good. So Dr. Fan is here. It's a great. So we have expert Dr. Fan from, I think I could be wrong. Lisa, please correct me. It's a center of China. Yeah, it's not North China. It's a center. It's from Beijing. Lisa, okay. Okay, we will try to understand the things. And also we have two experts from Uzbekistan. Dilarom, are you here?
Hello, Andre. Yes, I'm here.
Hello. And also we have Irina, but I sent her the link, but she still she not. So could you please talk to her? Is she would like to assess the competitor works or not?
Yes, of course. I will call you.
Yeah,
I
thank you.
call you. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So until we so first almost all our experts are ready to work for in assessment procedure. I will just show how it will be organized. Now I'm going to the Google Classroom and start to publish the works for the for test for the experts. I will show this test, and you will find the same criteria which we use in the test, and I will show you how you have to work this test during our work. So if you see, we prepared the draft of the test, and we set this test for a group of experts which are not connected to the competitors. So it means that we remove from this judgment test the expert compatriot. For example, for Russia competitor, Anton from Russia won't be assessed her work. For example, from China, Chenggong Huang doesn't assess his competitor work, and for Irina and Dilarom won't assess the Uzbekistanian competitors' work. But we still, Dilarom, missed the work from Otabek. Please also, if it's possible, just to let us know, will we get the from Otabek competitor work today or not? Thank you. So what you have to do, first of all the experts whom we assign the test have to write their name here and country. Just to after that, we will understand who will make this judgment for the competitor. Each test have the title. The title have some abbreviation or code, which means COM1, it's a competitor 1. J, judgment. M2, it's a code of aspect. And D1, oh sorry, M2, it's a model 2, which we will assess in the last day. And D1, it's a what means D1 on us? Oh, D1. Oh, D1, it's a code of aspect. I'm sorry.
Day 1.
It's already tired to make. Let's I will choose another another one to make more clear of the assessment. So I just can't. 1, 2.
Смену нужно взять.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Just a bit difficult. So here, I will just open the slide. So here, look at. So this is the title of the test. So the title means COM1, it's a competitor, number of competitor. And when you will fill this test, you have to look at the folder competitor 1. I will just look at, yeah, here. So this is, you will go here and look at the work of the competitor 1. If you, the J means judgment. It means that you going to make the judgment procedure. M1, it means that you judge the model 1 sketching. A1, it means the code of sub-criteria which you are a judge. Here below, after your name and country, you have the description for each aspect you are judge, and then you have the options 0, 1, 2, and 3. You look at the work of the competitor. It's possible just to make the preview. So you are going inside, you open the slide, for example, look at the slide, and then go to the test, read the explanation, read the description for each score, and put this score here for us just to apply what the mark you put for this aspect for this competitor. And you go in further until you finish all these tests for first competitor. Then you are send here. You will find the button that you can send the result, and after that you are going to. Oh, I'm sorry, I close my folder. Just a moment. I will go again the inside. Now sharing. Then you are going again for the competitor number 2. Open it. If you have this assigned, again, write your name and country. Open the competitor's work from competitor 2. Open this slide. Look at this sketch. Again, go to the test and make the assessment during the all aspect which we asked you. Be careful, because you could have only one chance to go through the test. So it's impossible to change after you finish the test your answers. You only have one recording of your choice from each aspect during the test. That's why I recommend all the experts, before start judging, go to the folder model 1 and look at all the competitors' work from each folder. Here we don't have just Ekaterina, diffuser already loaded in the Google Class.
Там пустая форма. Пустая форма. Может быть, он пытался, но не загрузил.
It's she. Just a moment. I will check. Yeah. Okay. I see. What about the email?
No, нет.
Also no. So Dilarom, we still doesn't have any work from two competitors, Diffusa and Otabek. Please, if they are ready to give us their sketches, they have to provide it as soon as possible, or otherwise we will not assess their work, and probably we could do it later, but by our own experts, yeah, without any international experts from this training, because we have a very limitation time to work. So let's try to do this process, and now I will start to make the.
Андрей,
Да.
I'm sorry. У нас на первого участника 3 назначены эксперты, на остальных по 2.
Мы сейчас решим этот вопрос. Так, почему? Подожди. I'm sorry, we will just everything. So first of all, the competitors number 1. Dr. Fan, we will ask Dr. Fan to compete because
Он есть?
yeah, he already played the classroom. So I'll just start the process of making. So it's a digital here. I will start from manual sketching and look at that everything is good. Yeah. So now the expert whom we choose for the competitor number 1, it's a competitor from Japan, Yota. So you may see that his work will judge Chengung Huang, Dilorom, and Anton. Why I can't see? Yeah, Anton. So I will just publish. Also, we already published the link. Expert, please note that when you are going in the beginning of our course, you may see the material, which is called Competitor Works Model Sketching. And inside you will find the link into the folder where we collect all the competitors' work from the morning session. Please use this link to go and to look the work. Just be careful, don't delete any works from that folder because we still need them for the measurement. So experts could start judge the competitor number 1, whom I already said before. Competitor number 2 from manual sketching. Here we had Dilarom and Anton. I'll just probably we could, Irina also apply the test. We will ask her to make the judgment. Irina. Just a moment. Irina. I can't see her now, but he applied. Полина, это Андрей.
Попробуй вниз еще прокрутить. Там.
У меня не крутит почему-то. Ни туда, ни сюда. Нет, не крутит, и все. Так, I will use another computer, which is much bigger.
Давай я назначу.
Тогда включай демонстрацию экрана. Я останавливаю. I'm sorry to talk in Russian. We will try to also solve the problem of making this procedure because it's just first time when we try also to organize this process. Katerina, my colleague, will help me to assign all the criteria for the day manual. So please open the manual. Yeah, good. Okay, Irina, we have to find, because you already applied the, I will just tell you what she means.
This?
Irina Dmitrieva. Должна быть. Yeah, correct. So Irina, we ask you to judge this test. Just создать. Yeah, create, создать. Yeah, good. Next one. Next, shift 1 competitor free. Let's choose Dr. Fan. Let's choose Dr. Fan because it's a Russian competitor. Let's look, because we already have it's called wait, let me see. He is Huan Fan. I'm sorry if I pronounce not correct, because
Yes.
Huan Fan.
Yes.
Good. Yeah, Huan Fan. Sisi. Good. So Huan Fan have already 2 tests to apply. So next one, it's Uzbekistanian competitor. Let's again ask Huan Fan to make a assessment. I think they try to provide us the work. No yet, still no. Something may be difficult to use. Dileron, please unmute your phone. I think Dilfuza have some problem to provide because she tried to apply classroom. I think she didn't to download it her works, and then she need to push send to teacher. So if she will come in our session and sharing the screen, we will help her to download her works for us.
Okay, thank you, Andrei.
Yeah, send the link her to go in our chat or in our Zoom session.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So here it's Huang Fang, okay? Chingung, yeah, Huang Fang and Anton. Yeah, good. Assign. Next, it will be the last competitor for today. It's for manual. It's again Uzbekistanian competitor. I also asked Dileron to help us to provide the works from Otabek. So we will ask again, Huang Fang, to make us a judgment. Good. Okay. So first of all, I will ask Yekaterina to show us. Okay, I will share the screen. I will show what we have now during our work. If I go to the mark, you may see that we have 5 tests, and Huan Fang have 3 tests to assign and to go there. So you Huan Fang need to go inside his classroom account, and there you will find this test. You just push the title, go through the test, make a test. Also, Huan Fang and Elisa, please help him to find the folder where we have the competitors, and inside they'll go to the folder with competitors work. Please go and start to make a judgment procedure for each competitor. Katerina, please check our mail, corporative mail. Maybe they sent their work.
No.
No yet. Okay. I will just return like this, and they will provide us again. Then Chen Gong Huang also have, but Chen Gong Huang have 4 works to check. It's a competitor 1, competitor 3, competitor 4, and competitor 5. Dileron, you have to check 3 works of the competitors. It's a competitor 1, competitor 2, and competitor 3. And also Anton. Anton, you have to check 4 works. Competitor 1, competitor 2, competitor 4, competitor 5. I apologize in front of the other participants. I will translate what I said for Anton, just to clarify the situation. Антон, у тебя сейчас назначено в Google классе 4 теста. Для участника номер 1, для участника номер 2, 4 и 5. 4-й и 5-й участник пока не прислали работы, поэтому можно их пока не оценивать. Участник номер 1 и номер 2 уже выложены работы. Если вверху в Google Classroom ты пройдешь по ссылке работы участников, то внутри по этой ссылке ты найдешь 5 папок. Соответственно, ты заходишь в первую, это участник номер 1, второй это участник номер 2. Смотришь работы и выставляешь оценки согласно тем критериям, которые у тебя присутствуют в тесте. Можешь использовать Google Translate, чтобы перевести критерии из теста и понять, о чем в нем суть. Спасибо. I'm sorry just to talk in Russian. I will translate the instruction for Russian experts who not speak in English. Just what he needs to do now to check the competitors' work. So now we already described everything for others. I hope that for observers it's again also quite understandable. What means here non-assigned? Not assigned. It means that we didn't give any instruction and any activities for these experts. So this is what probably we will. Sometimes it probably looks quite misunderstanding, and I already have some idea that if we will use the Google Classroom, probably we have to create 2 courses. One course for competitors and another course for experts. And it means that the members of this course will be less, and what we will do for each of them, it's just assign only for their activities. And it means that we won't have so many others experts which are not active inside of the course. So the course only for the working experts. We have here some experts who just observers or interpreter, and also we have some experts who are from the afternoon session. Of course, during the competition, all the experts will be in the same time, in the same management plan, and this will look more available and more comfortable to work. But now we will try to test this system, and of course maybe a bit some things quite misunderstanding for this procedure. But I think in the further you will finally understand what we will do and how we organize this process. So now we are waiting the assign. The assign will be look like this, handed in. It means that the expert finished their judgment, and we have already result. And for each competitor, if we get 3 handed in, it means that 3 experts already finish their work, and we could collect their points just to check the difference between their marks. Because according to the rule, the difference should be no more than 1. For example, you will see in a practical way how it's going on. For example, one expert put 0, another expert put 2, and another expert put 2. It means that we have the difference between their score more than 1, because we have a 2 points difference. And we will talk with these experts, and the experts have to provide the comments why they choose this kind of mark. If we will check their points, and their points don't have any difference more than 1, it means that everything is good and we are going further. This is the way how we will use the judgment procedure in a real competition. I'm sorry, I tried just to solve the problem with Uzbekistani competitors. I would like to remind you that this is aspect connected only manual sketches. So only the sketches, hand drawing sketches. So be careful, experts, don't check the digital sketching. Now we are start the process and to assign the digital sketching for these competitors. It's a sketching number 3. Only one to make a judgment procedure. Yekaterina, please share your screen just to start the process. We still miss 2 works. So Uzbekistani competitor, one of the Uzbekistani competitor have the problem with the internet. So that's why she couldn't apply to her work. About the second competitor, they have some problem to communicate. I think if we couldn't find the solution, we also not apply his work for the check-in. We'll see. We'll try to provide everything is good. I hope that everything will be good. So we will continue to assign the work for the competitors. Let's go further. So Yekaterina, please go to assign the digital test. Yeah. Okay. So for the competitor number 1, we already have all the oh no, not have, I'm sorry. So let's ask Juan Fan. Let's ask Juan Fan to make the judge. And Dilaron, please help me. Irina, join us or not?
Yes, yes.
Good. So we ask Irina to make the judgment now. Okay. Sign. So for the competitor 1, we have Anton, Irina, and Juan Fan. Competitor number 2, we will ask Dilrom, Irina, and this is competitor from China. So let's ask Irina also. Let's ask Irina to make the judgment, just to give them the maximum objective and outside of their opinion from the experts. Competitor number 3, it's a competitor from Russia. We ask Chengun Wang Then let's ask probably Dilrom, and I think we have one more. Yeah, we have one more. And with our regards, Huan Fang. Okay, so competitor number 4, we ask okay, Chen Huang, let's Anton and Huang Fang, because it's Uzbekistani competitors. If they will provide it, any works for us, I hope so. Dilrom, is it possible to send the works not Google form or to the industrial D42 gmail.com, or it still have some problem for I'm sorry, I always forget the name, diffuser, some problems to load it?
Yes, she said that she has problems. Will send when she will be at home.
I see. Okay, let's maybe we will try. I just bit afraid for the afternoon session. We have there almost 7 competitors, and if we will move there one more, it will be quite difficult, because here we have just 5 competitors, and now we have already just 3 competitors who make their job. That's why it's quite difficult to organize. But the time for afternoon session, it's absolutely the same like in for morning session. But okay, we will try to manage these kind of things. And I just would like to ask you, focus on the competitors and try to help them to be on time in every moment when they try to participate in the competition, because otherwise we have some solutions to some issues to solve the problem. Okay, so let's go on and believe that everything will be okay. And for competitor number 5, again, let's ask Huang Fang if we will get their work. Until we don't have them, so probably you could be free to make the judgment. So now we are waiting all these experts until they finish their test to be assigned. No more any answers. So we will see, Ekaterina, we could wait, because we will see on the mark when the experts finish their work. So Ekaterina, could you please go to the mark of the assign? Not here. Yeah, here you can close. No, not here. I mean, okay, I will show. I will show. So what we have now, you may see that where you have the empty space, it means that these experts are responsible to go through the test and make the judgment procedure for the competitor, which they have in the title of this test. We published the test for the manual sketches, and you may see this title, this direction or option in the title. So here you may see manual in the end. It means that this test connected to manual sketching, and of course we have the digital sketching. In the end of digital, it means that this test connected to digital sketching. Please, all experts who are today participating in our assessment procedure, go to your classroom and find the task which we assign to you, and go make this test use the link from the classwork, which is in the top of our schedule. The title is the title name names Competitor Works Model Sketching. Until we wait, we have some small probably break for others because we have to wait until the experts finish their work. Then we will continue to work. We will open the summary of their opinions and look through them and try to solve the issues where the difference from their score more than one. We will also show this process during our meeting. So everything will be showing. I will open the marks just to find when the expert will finish their work. I will try to use a less. This is probably the most. Yeah, this is the latest version of that. So I can't make a less just to show that work is going. Dear experts, if you have any problems or misunderstanding what you have to do now, I mean the experts who go through the assessment, please let me know via chat just to help you to understand and to provide the process. Also, if you are okay, just go and make your job. Thank you.
У четвертого участника возникли проблемы с загрузкой.
What?
Антон пишет, что нет работы четвертого и пятого участника.
Да, мы просто. Anton, we still have some problems with the competitors number 4 and 5 because competitor number 4 has the internet problems and she provides her works a bit later. I think we will check her work in the afternoon session and in the future for the model 2 she will try to be on time for the first for the morning session. I hope that our expert will help them to be on time on this activity. And for competitor number 5 we still have some problem to contact him. I think if we didn't find any ways to talk to him, we will miss his work and have only 4 competitors of working during our morning training. But don't be afraid because all the folder Anton, you can take your time and just finish the test. I think till the 10 we could go through the test, but please not to waste the time. Please make your test as soon as possible with your knowledge, with your experience. It's just now we have only three competitors, and I think it's quite easy to organize the process. Thank you. Антон, I will just talk in Russian. Антон, ты можешь сейчас оценивать те работы, которые тебе назначены по тестам, и если нету 4-5, то ты этот тест не проходишь, потому что пока у нас работы этих нету. В конечном итоге, если вдруг все-таки работы не появятся, то мы тогда поставим по нулям данным участникам. According to the rules, if the competitor didn't provide any his or her work till the time limited of time, we must to put for each aspect 0. It means that the competitor didn't give any work to assess. Now, according to the training, of course, we try to avoid these rules, but be careful, because during the real competition, your competitor could miss the mark from the judgment. Lisa, please try to organize the process. I will ask you just to, Dr. Fan, please try to not spend so many time to look at the work. Try to assess as soon as possible, because we have the limitation of the session, and we also have to collect these points, also have to discuss about them, and also to explain you how to make the measurement, and the competitor will do the measurement after. So in this case, I just would like to ask you not to make any breaks. I just keep going on to make the assessment. Also, for Dr. Fan, we have only competitor number 3 in manual sketching, and competitor number 1 and 3 for digital sketching, because we don't have works for the competitor number 4, 5 for each manual and digital sketching. So it's not so many tasks to do, and I think Dr. Fan will be on time and not to spend so many time to work. I still doesn't have any applying of the tasks, so no any recognizing that test is done. Please, expert, keep going on to work with the task and competitors' work. Dilarom, just go to Classroom, your account, and on your classwork you will find the test which you have to go through. Open each test. The title of the test give you the competitor number competitor number and judgment things. So you have to check. I'll just show you on the screen. Please pay attention. So Dilarom, you have to check the manual sketching competitor 1, competitor 2, competitor 3. For digital sketching, competitor 2 and competitor 3. So you assign 5 tests or 5 Google forms in your account. Go to inside of your Google account Classroom and go through this test. Also, in the top of our schedule, you will find the material which is called Competitor Works Model Sketching. Go inside and you will find the link to the folder where we have all the folders with competitor works. You will use this folder to look what competitor you have to check. I hope it's clear.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Also, I just would like to understand, because I still can't see Irina in our chat in Zoom, and can't. No, sorry. Irina, everything is okay. Just please unmute your phone or unmute your microphone and speak Russian. I will also speak with you Russian, just to be sure that you understand what we are doing now. Ирина, вы можете включить микрофон и спросить, если вдруг что-то вам непонятно. Я по-русски объясню вам, что сейчас происходит. Разобрались ли вы со своим Google Classroom и видите ли вы те тесты, которые вам надо пройти, и нашли ли вы работу участников, которые вам надо оценить? У вас по оценкам, сейчас подскажу, кого вы сегодня оцениваете. У вас участник по диджиталу, то есть по электронному скетчу, у вас участник номер 1 и 2, и по ручному скетчингу у вас участник номер 2.
Понятно.
Спасибо.
Я просто еще не дошла на оценку, я пока только...
Если что, скажите, мы будем помогать. Thank you. Dear participants, I'll just talk to Irina in Russian just to explain her what she needs to do also now, just to provide us her marks for the competitors which she needs to assess.
Андрей Владимирович, можно вопрос? Простите, на русском.
Да.
Можно мне повторить? У меня, я так понял, участник 1 и 4, правильно?
Let me see. Антон. Антон, у вас тесты назначены по ручному скетчингу. Участник номер 1, номер 2. 4-5 у нас нету. То есть вы должны пройти 2 теста по ручному.
Поэтому я вопрос задавал. Да.
И у вас также назначены 1 и 2 по электронному скетчингу, так как 4 и 5 пока у нас нету. То есть пока на данный момент вы должны пройти 4 теста. Это Shift 1 Competitor 1, Shift 1 Competitor 2 Manual, and Shift 1 Competitor 1 Digital, Shift 1 Competitor 2 Digital. Thank you. Other experts you may see have some small break. Let's be here probably in 10 minutes. So you just could leave a session or just unmute and turn off your camera. If you still have any questions, please be free to ask. We are waiting your finishing work. Dear experts, we're still waiting your results of judgments for competitors number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because competitor number 4 and 5 still didn't provide us their works. Ekaterina, could you please check the email? Maybe we have some. Ekaterina, let's remove the aspect from competitor number 4 and 5 judgment, just not to confuse the judges to work to do their work. Oh.
Удалить?
Wait, Chenkun Huan to make the competitor number 5. We have a competitor number 5. We don't have any work from competitor number 5. Yeah.
No.
Yepu, are you here? Yepu. Pu, are you here? I need your help. Katerine, let's remove the, because now we will get absolutely.
Удалите папочки из задания или задание оставить?
Нет, стоп. Удалить тесты, которые мы назначили для 4-5 участника. У нас все равно нет пока работы, правильно?
Да, нету.
Вот удалить тесты, чтобы не путать экспертов. Пусть только 3 участника наши здесь опубликованы. And on the future, we will publish only tests which work we have. Chen Kong, I need to ask you that the test for competitor number 5, it's impossible to make because we don't have a work from the competitor number 5. You have to provide your marks for the competitor number 1, 3, 1, 3 only, 1 and 3. Now we will delete the test for competitors number 4 and 5, just not to confuse you to work. Yeah, but we don't have a competitor number 5 because he doesn't provide us any work. It's an Uzbekistanian competitor. Please be careful. Competitor number 1, it's Japan. Competitor number 2, it's China. Competitor number 3, it's Russia. We don't have any works from the competitors number 4 and 5 still. We are waiting, and if they send their work, we will check them in afternoon session. So Chen Kong Huan have to assign only competitor number 1, competitor number 3 about manual sketching, and competitor number 3 about digital sketching. Only 3 tests. Yeah, good. So Dilarom already assigned the competitor number 3 of digital sketching, and now you may see the result. So we already got her score for each aspect. We are still waiting Irina and Anton about their scores, and also we are waiting Huang Fang for his score, and Chen Wang Huan. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. So 4-5 minutes more, dear experts, and we have to go further, or otherwise we won't be on time for all the assessment procedures. Please try to keep to work to provide us all the scores from your opinion. For other experts, I just will show all the competitors' work from competitor number 1. It's Japan. So this is one manual sketch. Also, this is the second manual sketch. And here you may see a digital sketch. Competitor number 2, one manual sketch. The second manual sketch and digital sketch. Competitor number 3, the first manual sketch, the second manual sketch, and digital sketch, I think. Yeah, it looks like digital, I hope. Yeah, digital sketch, yeah. So this is the works which we got from the morning session competitors. Of course, we are still waiting when competitor number 4 probably will try to send us her work, and we will assess afternoon, and then tomorrow before we start I will show her work also for all the experts from the morning session. Tomorrow we regardless ask Camila to join us again, and I hope for Chinese teams will be quite easy to have the connection to our training. Just today she has some objective reasons to be absent, and tomorrow and in the last day she will join us and will be with us to talk about how it's going on. I hope. Tomorrow it's exactly. I'm not sure about the last day, but we will try to manage these things. So we already have 2 assigned from experts. Yeah. Oh, not 2, quite more. That's good. So we have and Dilarom. So also we're still waiting some decisions from Irina and Anton. Please quite push yourself to do your work. Ирина, Антон, я вас очень прошу сосредоточиться и предоставить ваши результаты, потому что для нас это важно, иначе мы не успеем сделать все остальное.
Я
У вас
помню.
достаточно большой опыт, поэтому пройдите и отправьте тест.
Просто времени, да, все-таки требуется.
Я понимаю, это тренировка, это не медальный зачет, поэтому вот как вы видите, такие оценки и ставьте.
Надо же сначала перевести.
I could try to send you the Russian versions, and also for Irina. Yeah, I need to. I will try to send the Russian version of translation. But before I need to find them. Let me stop sharing. I will try to help you. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So it's first. And yeah. Okay. Ирина, я сейчас вышлю вам на русском, может быть, так будет полегче, чуть побыстрее у вас пойдет процесс. На почту Gmail я вам вышлю русскую версию критериев. Вы можете сравнивать быстренько, да? Давайте. Так, может быть, побыстрее пойдет процесс. Dilarom, do you need also Russian version of criteria for Model 1?
No, no, thank you.
Good. English is good. Good. I like it. Коллеги, пожалуйста, проверьте почту по русскому переводу. Dear participants, I just help my colleagues from Russia and Uzbekistan, sorry, to get the Russian version of criteria just to understand the meaning of aspects from the online test, just to make the speed of working higher. I very thank you the Qinggong Huan and Huan Fan for their work. So Qinggong Huan already finished his work, and Huan Fan already provide 2 results of his works. That's amazing. Thank you very much. Dilarom have just 1 result from her work. We're still waiting Irina and Anton to continue. So just sharing the screen again to show you. you may see that Chen Kung Huan already already finished all his work. Thank you very much, CC. And also Huan Fan provide us 2 results of his work. Thank you very much, CC. And Dilarom have just 1 result of her work. I hope that she will finish quite soon her work. And also we're still waiting Irina. Please, Irina, check your Gmail from Google Class for email, just to find the aspect. Anton, also check your normal mail just to find the criteria in Russian for this model. I hope this is help you to finish quite soon the result. Very much, Irina and Anton. You already start provide us your work. Also, Dilarom, thank you for the second test. So, Dilarom, you have you have 3 tests more. Irina, you have 2 tests more, and Anton, yeah, you have 3 tests more.
Я не могу открыть конференцию. У меня что-то с компьютером. Но я вижу, что я могу говорить. И могу не говорить. Вот. Да у меня тут еще глюк произошел, прошу прощения, в телефоне. Я, оказывается, не сохранил второго участника, а сейчас в компьютере открыл.
I see. Okay. Anton, we're waiting for you. Just take your time, but not so long. When we will get any free result? Okay, we already start. We can already start to make the checking the difference between the experts score. Ekaterina, I would ask you to share your screen just to show the other experts how it's going on. Please, let's start to make the summary. Let's start to make a summary of the works. Go to this. Go to the course, to the folder. Yeah, go to the folder. Yeah, shift 1. Manual sketching. We have to we completed number 3. We have completed number 3 answers. 3 answers already. So digital sketching, digital. Yeah, digital sketching, competitor number 3. We have 3. So dear experts, I will explain what we're doing now. So finally, during our work, we got 3 work from 3 different experts via test. Now we open this Google form and go to the answers and make the summary table of their answers. Yeah, good. And answers will open in interactive Google Form Excel. And now you may see the results of each aspect from each expert. And for example, for criteria number 1, information value, we have no difference, no more than 1 difference between the marks. It's good. For aspect number 2, showness, emotional impact, we also don't have any problems. For light source, we also don't have any problems. We have problem with composition and graphics, and where the experts, could you please show me the who? So where the DLROM shows, the DLROM give 0, and 2 Chinese expert give 2. We will ask later about that. Please, please select these aspects in a color. Екатерина, выдели, пожалуйста, этот аспект цвета. We will select this aspect in color just to know that we have a difference more than 1 here, and move on further. Polygraphic solution, it's okay. Color scheme, it's okay. And building a perspective, we have again a problem because the difference more than 1. We again check. So now we ask with the experts, DLROM, first of all, please, could you provide us any comments why why it's 0? Because according to explanation, 0 usually is set if it's under the standards, it's like a low standards, or if it's don't attempt. So the competitor didn't provide this aspect. And also in the last, we just make some easiest way to see the results. This is what we will do. And we also ask with our regards, Huan Fang, for the last aspect, which is called building a perspective in a digital skills. Could you please give us your comments why you said 3, because other experts said 1 and 1. Sometimes during the competition, it's possible to, usually it must be discussed, and the expert must improve their opinion why this work must be marked in this point. And inside of the group, they have to make the conclusion to make the difference no more than 1. Usually it's experts who have the different mark, almost different mark from others, have to provide some provement why they put this mark for each aspect. We have just 2. We will continue to work with it a bit later. Let's just keep online this table. We also have 3 marks for manual sketching competitor 2. Could you please go further? Competitor 2, manual sketching. Go to the yep, here. No, here you can close already. Table. Катерина, спокойно. Нет, подожди.
Сохранить.
Не надо сохранить. Выключи, пожалуйста, тест вот этот. Он нам уже не нужен сейчас. Закрывай. Заходи в папку Manual. В первой смене Manual. Competitor number 2. already finished also. Competitor number 2. Great, okay. So now we also finish, expert finish checking competitor number 2 about manual sketching. We also make a summary via Excel Google form. Open and let's check what we have here. So here you may see, as I can see, that we don't have any troubles with the visible aspects. Now we'll just make no, we have one. I already see the one. Let's make more comfortable solution. So in the first criteria, we don't have any troubles. For the second also, for the third also, for the fourth also, 5, okay, 6, okay. We have troubles with the proficiency in the techniques. Please select the points which is out of the difference. This is 1 and 1 and 1, yeah. Okay. Next one also, just 1 point and 3. This is from, I think, Irina. Yeah, no, wrong. Just a moment, I will check who will make this judge. Yeah, from Irina. Plus, it's Irina. Could you spell there, Irina? Yeah, here, because it was Irina.
Да, там где плюс стоит, это я.
Yeah, we'll try to eliminate these things. Yep, good. Okay, so and then it's okay, then okay, and then okay. So we here have these kind of issues to talk. Let's move on. We have also finished, no yet. We have finished, yeah, we have finished manual sketching competitor 3. Manual sketching competitor 3. Let's make a summary. Okay. Yeah, we have also here some troubles with the work. Okay, we will look at these things. So we are still waiting DLROM with the competitor number 1 and competitor number 2, digital sketching. Also, we are waiting Anton, digital sketching, competitor number 1 and 2. Okay, here let's look the results. So first line good, second line 1 and 3. Let's yeah, make okay. Next one okay, next one okay, okay. This one light source. So next good, 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 good. Yeah, here just two issues to talk. Let's move on. Let me see who is ready also to make discussion. No, we still need to wait because time is going also, and we have to finish today our working time. We will wait the answers from the from others experts, but now we will continue to talk about the measurement until Dilarom and Anton finish their work, because we have to finish close to 11.
Я еще компьютер, но у первого смотрю.
Manage to, I think we have to follow the skill management plan, and we will continue to work. Anton and Dilarom, you can take your time just to finish the work. I will explain what we will do after. We will show you the difference, and according to our training, let us to correct these kind of things without any discussion, because otherwise we can spend so many times. Of course, in a real competition, you have to discuss this difference, but now we will try to use some kind of universal method to solve these issues and not to take or to make busy all of you during our skill camp, because now we just show how it's going on to organize. And of course, in real competition, will be in a really strictly way to do. But I'm really proud of you, because we have just small issues to talk. You may see that just 1-2 aspects. It means that you understand the aspect. That means that you are quite experienced and can do this work properly and in a good way. Thank you very much for your effort to show your interest and to show your work with a judgment procedure. I will ask Kirill to continue to talk about the measurement, and after the introduction, I will explain how we will make this measurement process in this measurement process of our work. Kirill, you can start.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait. Ekaterina, I ask you to delete the measurement test from the task about the component number 4 and 5, just to provide expert free tests.
Okay.
Kirill.
Okay, now we start. Measurement regulations. Objective aspects are measurable. They are evaluated by a group of pre-compatriot experts. Objective aspects can, in a sense, be binary or disparate, and answer the question by yes or no. Evaluated by a group of 3 people if participants work is assessed by this compatriot expert, so the expert is replaced by a compatriot expert from another assessment group. Measurement regulations, you can make photo of this slide, and we go to next. Now, criteria manual sketching. The first aspect is availability of resulting products. And to sheet 1 and sheet 2. Answer the question yes or no. You look on the work and answer yes or no. The next is design of sketches in accordance with the customer's requirements. Resulting file saving format sheet 1, and you read format A3 or no. Portrait layout .pdf file with a resolution of at least 300 dpi, and you look at this file, and if one of these one of choice has not, you write that no, these aspects.
Excuse me. Кирилл, очень плохо слышно тебя. Эхо. Прям фонит. Первый раз было лучше.
Katerina said that it's quite difficult to.
She said that
that echo. Yeah, that echo. Please, and I ask you just to speak a bit slowly, because the expert non-native speakers, and they have to understand clearly what you would like to share with them. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. The next, resulting file saving format sheet 2. These and previous aspects you can see at this. The next aspects, availability and technical parameters of obligatory items on sketches as per customer requirements. That you see on that project name on sheet 1. If you haven't this name, you write no. If you have the project name, you have write yes. The next, image search thumbnails, metaphors, shapes of the object. On sheet 1, at least 3. That's you can see like thumbnails here sketching. The next, thumbnails with color embedded in the selected object image is like how can see color on that thumbnails. The next is objects functional process demonstration on sheet 2. It's like this object was in the world with man. The next.
Multi-man.
Multi-man.
Object, yeah.
The next, principles of product element interaction using an exploited diagram. That's like boom. Your object, Andrew, please help me.
Yeah.
Как сказать, объект должен разнестись во все стороны, показав, что у него внутри.
Explosion diagram. So,
yes.
Explosion diagram, on the criteria you may see exploded diagram.
Yeah. And you, materials that are used in the manufacturers of parts. The next, human object interaction options. It's like these objects and man interactions. I предлагаю, как сказать?
I offer or I suggest.
I offer suggest looks on the blog and параллельно, короче, делать. Вот это мы сделали, тип заполнили.
Скажи мне еще раз, я переведу.
Ну, короче, я хочу, вот мы лист прошли и сразу заполняем объективку. Потом дальше то же самое.
От участника к участнику, я правильно понял?
Да.
Сейчас. So, Kirill suggests that we could organize our process that together all the experts will go to the task number 1, but we will set who will measure this test. I think we will put all our experts from the morning session. It's a 5 experts: Chenhong Huang, Huang Fang, Anton, Irina, and Dilrom. We will write all your names into the measurement test for each competitor, and all together we'll start to answer on the questions. I would like to organize this process in this way. For example, we could organize that Ekaterina will show the work and then show the aspect. I will announce the aspect and you type in a chat Zoom that you are agree that this aspect correct or this aspect incorrect. If the aspect incorrect, you have to write your comment why this aspect incorrect. Thank you very much, Kirill. You can stop here. I ask you to sharing your screen and open the first manual test from the competitor number 1. I will also explain you that during the measurement, if the compatriot, I mean the competitor with or the expert with competitor have inside of the group can't make any answer on the aspect. It means, for example, now we will check the competitor number 5. Ekaterina, could you please share the screen and open the test number 1, measurement for manual sketching. Did you assign? No, yet. Let's assign. Wait. We will go through the test. Or we'll ask someone. Катерина, зайди, пожалуйста, в Google Class и опубликуй сначала задание. Мы же не опубликовали до сих пор. Measurement manual. Let's go to the measurement manual. Here we have a free test. Look at, we have a free test. We will set all, no, not все участники, remove all. Let's put Anton, Irina, then Chinghong Huang, then Dilrom, and Huang Fang. I will ask our guest to fill each form. Please, let's start from создать, yeah, okay, correct. Let's start from the beginning. Anton, I think you are like a Russian, could give our guest to work this in this test. I will just ask, maybe because we have two women, and we ask them to fill one of each form, and also we ask who I hope that Chinghong Huan won't be offended because he already experienced well in this process. We ask Dr. Fan to fill the third one test from for the competitors. So I will ask regarding first Irina, please could you share your screen with us? Ekaterina, you can stop sharing, and ask Irina to share your screen and open the test for the competitor number 1. Ирина, я прошу вас включить демонстрацию экрана, и вы будете первые заполнять тест по объективным параметрам, а все остальные будут смотреть и подтверждать критерии, которые там находятся, сработали они или нет. Я вам буду помогать. Вы знаете, как включить демонстрацию экрана? Ирина? I think Irina is left. Irina left us. Yeah, Irina left us. Okay, let's start from Dilrom. Dilrom, are you here? Please unmute your phone.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, could you please share in your screen?
Просто я на телефоне сейчас, Андрей, я поэтому...
Okay, okay, so it's quite difficult, yeah, for you. So this is
Because I'm mobile phone.
Oh, it's. I think we can start. So could you please go to Google Class and open the test for the first competitor.
First competitor, okay.
Don't worry, we have some quite not good conditions of sharing a screen because Dilrom's with us via mobile phone, but I think you may try to find the way to think. Yeah, quite difficult to understand these kind of things, but we'll see. Okay, let's what we can do because we can sign. Okay, maybe Dilrom, I will ask Chinghong Huan to share on the screen just to show how the work is going, because the resolution is quite poor. Everything is impossible to see. Dilrom, I hope you won't be offended if we if we will ask expert from China to fill the form?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, could you please stop the sharing screen?
It's not my screen.
Could you please, because the resolution is quite poor. Could you please stop sharing your screen?
It's not my screen, Andrei.
Oh. Which is here?
Irina. It's
Oh, it's Irina. It's Irina. Irina, it's your sharing screen. Ирина, это ваш экран сейчас включен?
Да.
Очень разрешение плохое, не очень видно. Ну, окей, потому что мне даже я прочитать не смогу для экспертов, чтобы было понятно. Так, давайте поступим так. Ирина, я могу вас тоже попросить остановить экран, потому что для других экспертов не видно абсолютно, что происходит. Спасибо огромное. Не бежайте столько, мы сейчас попробуем просто, чтобы всем экспертам было понятно, что происходит. I just talking in Russian to ask Irina to stop the sharing screen because the resolution quite poor and not all the experts could see what is going on. I would like to ask Chen Kung Kwan to share the screen. Yepu, could you please help me in this way? We would like to have the measurement process for you, and Chen Kung will fill this form in Google Class. Chen Kung, Yepu.
All right, we are sharing his screen now. Just a moment.
Okay, we're waiting.
共享屏幕。共享你现有的屏幕。
哦，不是在这里啊，我的号
上去。
What are you talking?
20 minutes.
I know, but it's always like
digital sketching and
the digital sketching is very small. They have just 5 aspects there, so I think it will be very easy. And especially we have just free competitors, so it's not so many. I'm thinking, and I'm wondering how we will manage to assign 8 competitors in afternoon. This is quite a challenge, but we'll see. I hope that we will manage these kind of things. So Yepu, we are still waiting your help to sharing the screen and to fill the form from the competitor. Or maybe Lisa and Dr. Fan could help us to fill this form. Lisa, what do you think?
Yes, Dr. Fan now has some problem for entering into our Zoom meeting, but now he trying to change another phone to try again.
I see. Okay, I see. So for the future, I regardlessly ask you maybe for the last day, which will be on 7th of August, for experts will be much better to participate via a quite normal device like a laptop or PC or maybe a tablet, because according to our work, we ask you to work and show something to others, because this is probably the great way to understand the process. Because if we will do only from our side, you will not be able to understand the process from the inside of organization. That's why I will ask you, please use not only mobile phones and also other computers. Now we can see the test from probably from Chen Kong Huan. Yeah, correct? Yeah, good. Okay, let's go. So Also, could you please go to the folder with model 1? Yeah, competitor number 1. We have competitor number 1. Open this file. Open the folder. Competitor number 1. Go inside. Okay. So what the aspect we measure? What the aspect we measure? Go to the test now. Go to the test and read the aspect. Go to the test. Yepu, help me to translate in Chinese. Go to the test. Com1 MM1A2. No. Yeah, here. So the first aspect, availability sheet 1. Do we have? Yes, good. Availability sheet 2. We have, good. Resolution file saving format, sheet 1, A3, portrait layout, PDF format with resolution at least 300 dpi. Until we are set the answer, please download on your local computer this scan. Go to the computer 1 folder. Go to competitor 1 folder. Competitor 1 folder. Download sheet 1. Download sheet 1. I think it's yes, this one. Yeah. Download on your computer. No, the previous. Yeah, good. So, but we already have the mistake. Can you see that the format is JPEG? Can you see that the format is JPEG? So it means that this is the mistake. So we can go to the test and put other, right, type no, and type JPEG format. Cool. Let's go to the test. Let's go to the test.
去那个
Yeah.
对
Right. No. And right here. No. JPEG format. No JPEG format.
No. No.
JPEG format.
JPG.
Yeah. JPEG. Yeah. JPG.
JPG.
Yeah.
Format. FORTMA.
Good. Amazing. So now we have one mistake for this competitor.
错了，这个 format FORMAT.
No rush. Everything is okay. No rush. You are very well. The next, also, we have a mistake. If you are going into the folder competitor 1,
去1号选手夹子，1号选手夹子。
you may see again another sketch again in JPEG format. Again in JPEG format. You can see. We don't need to download it now because we already see the mistake. We see that the JPEG is already the format is already JPEG, not in PDF. So let's go to the test and again type no JPEG format.
Go
to the test. Go to the test.
回到这个表，然后打到 PDF。
Yeah.
他要求是 PDF 的，他是 JPG 是错的。来，把这个复制一下，然后给他打第二张。
Okay. Good. Amazing. Let's go further. So ability on sketches, project name, sheet 1. Let's go to the competitor work and see, do we have a name of the project in sheet 1? No, it's not at a digital. No. Sheet 1, it's a manual. It's only about manual. Yeah, this one. Yeah, open. Just open in preview file. Just open inside of the folder. Double tap on this file. Just double tap. Yeah, great. So we have key accessories. We have a name, key accessories. So I think this is the name of the project, and we can put yes into the test. Go to the test and put yes. Great. Let's move on. Ability on sketches, image search, maze, metaphors, shapes of the object. At sheet 1, at least 3. So minimum 3, we can find shapes of the object. Let's go again to the computer, shift 1 again, yeah, here, open, and try to find 3 different shapes. Yeah, I can see 1, 2, 3. So the aspect is provided. We go into the test and put yes. Next one, at least 3 different colors should be provided. Again, yeah, we have seen the 3 different colors, but let's show that we are correct. You may see here that we have blue, pink, and yellow. So the aspect is provided. We put yes. Good. Availability of sketch objects, functionality, process demonstration. Sheet 2. Let's go to competitor number 1 and open the sheet number 2. Yeah, this one. I think yes, because in the bottom we have a fingers how to use, but it's key. Yeah, it's key. It's not for yeah, of course. Also, you may see the key go inside of the key accessories. It's also scenario. So I think we can apply. Yeah, we can apply and put yes for this competitor. Also, we have to find exploded diagram. Again, sheet 2. Let's go inside and see the exploding diagram. I'm sorry, but from my opinion, for example, I can't find any exploding how this object is. I can see just how it's using, but I can see how it's what the elements and what the details included inside of this object. But it's options for the experts. Please type in the chat if I agree that this aspect correct, or if you decided that this is aspect not provided, please type no. In my opinion, I would just say that no, because I can't find any exploded diagrams about the details and elements, how it's produced, because I can't understand how it will be produced.
Undefined.
The next aspect goes through the availability of the sketches, exponent notes, and explode diagram included materials. So it's about the materials and using in manufacturing parts. So it's about the materials. Let's go to the sheet 1 and look at. Do we have any materials? No, probably. Oh, any, yeah, anyways. So here we don't have any materials. Let's look the sheet 2. Let's look sheet 2. Here, animal charity pots. Material rubber. I can see a chain, key chain, key. Just one material, yeah, I can see just one material, but probably it's enough for the aspect measurement, because they provided us material for for this competitor. Let's put yes. And sketches human object interacting options. Yeah, we have one picture which is connected, but again, it's some issue. Could you please show the sketch number 2? You may see that it's not object connecting to the humans. It's a key connecting to the humans, not the object. Or otherwise, I think. Oh no! Wait! It's some kind of cover. Can you see? It's a cover for the key. So you can put a cover on a plane of the key, on the head of the key, and use in a comfortable way. It means that this is connected to the product. So I think we could apply this aspect for this competitor. Because this is a cover, so rubber cover for head of a key. So the key put inside of the cover, and you can use this cover for comfortable things to do something with key. So in my opinion, we could put here yes, because but it's some kind of tricky things, because it's not give us clear information that it's not key, that it's a cover with key. So in this case, it's decision of the experts, because if expert decided that it's a just key, it will be no. If expert decided that it's a cover with key, so it will be yes. Everybody agree with the last aspect? I'm asking Irina and Dilarom and Juan Fan about this aspect, because from the sketch, it doesn't see clearly that the connection between humans and object it's available. Because we could also think that it's just normal key and finger of humans, not the product which competitor provide for us. If you are agree with that, please type in the chat Zoom that you are agree with our opinion. If you are disagree, please type that you are disagree, and we will correct in a summary form after. Thank you very much. Chen Kung, you can apply the test. Good. Oh, I saw. I understand your opinion. That's very well. Could you please again show the sheet number 2? I will explain what did you mean. Sheet number sheet number from the competitor, sheet number 2, from the folder competitor. Yeah. Good. So we put no no sheet number 2 in the last aspect. We put one as them provided 2 connection with the humans. So this is aspect is not provided for us. Thank you very much for your work. And now we ask Lisa. Lisa, is Dr. Fan ready to continue and fill another form for competitor number 2?
Hello, Dr. Ante. I'm sorry, Dr. Fine is not on the line now.
Okay, thank you. So let's move on, Chen Gong Huan, and open the test competitor number 2. I will ask you.
Andre,
yeah.
Sorry, I can fit me.
No, Dilaron. I ask Chen Gong Huan to
Okay.
open the test. It's okay. Good.
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. Yeah, good. Open. And let's go to the folder competitor 2. Okay, open the folder competitor number 2. Sheet 1, no, sheet 1, yeah, good. Sheet 2, yeah, sheet 2 probably. No, yeah, two, yeah. Because first of all, we will have aspects about, this could be closed already, or like this, okay. So we have sheet 1, put yes. We have sheet 2, yes. We have, now we have to check the technical parameters. Let's download it, the sheet 2, good. And check the files. So PDF, it's okay. Let's open and look at another one. Good. Open these files just to check the resolution. In Photoshop, it's possible to open. You can use Photoshop to open these files but we would like to see that everything is okay. Could you please open the files in Photoshop? Just to be sure that the resolution is more than 300, at least 300 dpi. Just to
without Photoshop. We can do this right mouse click and properties, and you can see.
Do you think there will be available the resolution?
I think yes.
Okay, because it's PC, it's not marked here. Okay, let's try. Chen Huang, Chen Hong, yeah, Chen Jun, could you please open the property of the files just to show us that the resolution at least 300 dpi? The files which you downloaded.
Я могу показать. I can.
Ну, у нас просто сейчас включен демонстрация экрана, и пусть они покажут сами. Это же эксперты должны проверять. Chen Zhong, is it okay? Do you have any availability? Just go to the property of the files. Go to the property of the files to look at their property.
去它那个属性里面，打开属性，不要打开 PDF 了。刚才那个 PDF 的这个属性，右键属性。Could you see that?
No, yet we still see the test, but not the files.
Oh,
yeah, we still see the test, not the files. Okay, I will try to help you to find the solution. I will go also further, or also there.
Can you see the desktop?
Yeah. Good. Yeah, we see, but I can see here any.
关掉它再看。
So can you go to another? Yeah, here. Here I can see. Anyways, the last one. The last, I don't know how. Yeah, here. Yeah. No any information.
It's because I know why. It's because PDF file. It's not JPEG file. You can see in PDF. You need JPEG.
Yeah. Go to image, and yeah, good. 72. So this is a 72. What about another one? This is sketch 72 PDF. What about another one? Could you please also open in, yeah. Go to the information or image size to show us the resolution. No, just menu image size for the second one. Menu image size. Here's 72. I see. So it's incorrect. But what about another one? What about another one? Yeah, here, this one. Yeah. Oh, this is also 72. Okay, so in my opinion, that your competitor made mistake, and instead of 300, provide us 72. Maybe it's some misunderstanding, and I hope that in the future you will discuss about that kind of things. Yeah, but we can see that it's a 72 resolution. You can know and write 72. It's a just training. It means that you have to, after the training, work with your competitor just to be sure that they understand correct and can do these conditions for the things. So the second one also no, because also give us 72. Good. So next one, project name. Let's look at the sheet number 1 and see does he has a name. Go to the yeah, sheet number. It's this one. Yeah. No. The right one. No, oh, okay. Okay. We have. But this, yeah, good. We have aspect is provided. Yes. So put yes. Good. So next one, sketches, shapes. Yes, I saw at least 3 shapes. You can put yes. Oh, let's show us this one. Yeah, here in the left side you may see 3 different shapes. So yes. Also we can see 3 different color. It's also yes. So next aspect also available for us. Go to put here yes, and next one also yes. Next one, it's object functionality process demonstration. So any functional scenario, it doesn't matter, just at least one. Look at it's sheet number 2. It's next one. Yeah. Yeah, I can see in the top you can see on the top you can see. This is how possible to use. So we have, it's yes. Okay. Next one, project element using the explosion diagram. Let's look at the exploded diagram on the sheet number 2. Go to the sheet number 2. Look at, do we have any exploding diagrams? I can't find anything. We also know any exploded, this one. So this is, you can see the ears. Yeah, you can see, but I'm not sure that it's probably it's not give me any right impressions how they produce the body of this type. Maybe it's some kind of whole object, but how the object use the flash card inside of this body, it doesn't give us any information how this flash stick or memory stick goes inside and how it's combined together. So in my opinion, this is information is not present here. It's just different types of elements of that, but maybe experts disagree with me, and if you decided that it's presented here, like exploding diagram for each element, but at the same time it's exploded. So you may see the ears independent from the body, you may see the body, and you may see the stand, yeah, the stand where the flashcard could be kept. So probably it's correct, and we can put but not so informative, and we can put yes in this way. But for Chinese competitor, I suggest, and I would like to note that this should be more clear presented, because you have a stick inside of the body, and it means that that they have to show us how the stick goes inside. So how this element split. After that, we can understand how it could be produced, yeah, and what kind of elements we have to do to provide this object. So this should be clear presented in the on the sketch. But now I think we have exploding, like exploding measurement element, and we can put yes in this aspect. Go to the test and put yes. But be sure, be sure for your competitor that it would be a tricky situation for the expert. And some expert will decide that this is not present, the explosion diagram. Now it's a training, and we will discuss and have a video after that, and you will understand why we put yes. But on the real competition, I can't understand what the expert will decide it, talking together. So let's see, do we have any materials, and do we have at least 2 human object iterations? Go to the sheet number 2. Go to the sheet number 2. Go to the sheet number 2. So, yeah, sheet number 2.
This one.
This one, yeah, this one. So I can see one explanation about how the human use this object, and also I can see the materials: ABS, matter, ABS,
Aluminium.
Aluminium. So we have a material. This is aspect correct. And the last one aspect, I can see here only one human object scenario. So it means that I can see another one where the competitor could provide us, like a keeping on the pocket, or just holding on the hand, or just giving someone to do. So any other opinions I can't see. So in this case, for the last aspect, I could say no, because I can see only one human object interaction. Here in the previous, yes, and the last one, no, only one. And the previous, yes. Good. Submit. Amazing. The last one. And probably from our regards, we will finish after that our session. And or I will ask Kirill to check the digital sketches just to be faster, because we already tried some of sketches. So open the competitor number 3. Chenjun, please open competitor number 3, test, yeah. Go to the folder competitor 3, type your name. Good. So let's go to the competitor number 3. So we have 2 sketches manual. Could you please load them? Could you please download it on your computer and open via Photoshop? So we have 2 sheets for comparator number 3. We can put yes, yes for the 2 first questions in test competitor 3. 2 first, yes, yes. Okay, let's check the resolution and the format via in Photoshop. PDF, it's okay. Let's see the information. 159, no, it's incorrect. And the next one? 159, it's incorrect. So also write here that 150 probably possible to write 150. Next one also. No, next one also. No. Let's check the sheet number 1, name of the project. Go to the folder and look at sheet number 1. This is one, yeah. Save lives. I can see this is a company. This is not project, but in your choice, because Paul's Animal Charity, it's a name of the company, and I can't apply that. This is the name. Say V lives posters. I have some doubts, really, because I can't hear clear the name of the project, and Paul's Animal Charity, it's impossible to name the project because it's the name of the company, and it's quite tricky things to use the same name for the project because it's not marketing target. I'm not sure about the Save Lives. If you, I mean expert, decided that it could be a name, you put yes. If you are decided that this is not name and this is means something another, you could put no. It's your decision. I can't to say anything. I'll just explain you what we have here. And if you will try the main material, no, it's main material, plastic will support homeless pets. Save lives. Say, скажи жизням, скажи. Dear experts, I'm a bit confused, and I'm a Russian expert, so I can't say anything. Please type in a chat, Dilarom, Irina, Huanfang, or Lisa, just what is your decision about this aspect? Because I can't say anything about that things. It's only your should be decision. And we will go further. Okay, so we have one agreement from Juan. What about Dilarom? And what about Irina? What about Lisa? Do you agree that we could put here yes, or we have to put no, because it's not clear, show us that the name is here. So we have 2 answers, yes. Let's put yes. Dilarom also say yes. We applied and confirm your decision. Thank you very much. Let's go further. Here we have find at least 3 shapes, and next one 3 colors. It's here should be. So what about shapes? In the top we have 3 shapes, and then we have 3 colors in the bottom. We have 3 different colors of this object. So all these aspects are correct. Yes and yes. Go further. Here, functionality of the process, sheet 2. We have to go to sheet 2. We have to go to sheet 2. The next one, not this one. Yeah, this one. And let's see the explanation. This is with humans. This is with humans. I can see with sun. Can you see this with sun? It's one of the functionality. Yeah, because so it's charging via lights. So this is the functionality what she tried to show us. So I think we could put yes in this case. The functionality with sun. Then explosion diagram, sheet 2. In the top, we can see explosion also diagram. Here, how it's combined. So we can also, like in Chinese, also not quite clear how it will be produced. Can you see that the explosion not very clear? I can understand how the middle circle will be produced, and this is probably give me some doubts about the production. But we have here exploding. So in this case, we have the measurement criteria, yes. But according to the judgment, we can say we can put a lower marks because this is not clear to show us about the details about the elements from the production. And also we have a free connection with the humans. Can you see facts? And we can put for the aspect about the humans, yes. And about and the next one, materials. I'm not sure. Let's look at materials. Let's look at materials. So what we have for the materials? Yes, okay. So thank you very much, Juan, for your work. That was amazing. And now I regardless ask you to stop sharing the screen. And I ask Kirill to check the competitors' work to check work of the competitors by the digital skills. I'm sorry, I'm a bit tired. Maybe Anton, are you? Could you please fill the forms? Do you have Антон, у тебя есть возможность открыть форму и продемонстрировать экран? Антон, включи микрофон.
Сейчас.
So I ask Anton to share in his screen, and we will check quickly the last digital criteria from the. This is manual, so probably you. Oh no, or not. This is a digital. Can you just show me that it's a digital? No, it's a manual. So could you please close this test? Антон, закрой эти тесты, они тебе сейчас не нужны.
Вообще закрыть? Так я же их не отправлял.
Ну, там он один был назначен, поэтому они уже заполнились. Ты их можешь закрыть. Закрывай. Просто на крестик нажми вверху.
Да у меня, видите, тут шипунья всякая вылазит.
Какая шипунья? Ничего там не вылазит. Закрывай. На крестик нажимай. Давай, а то уже все устали.
Да вот видите, у меня вот шипунька вылазит.
Что вылазит?
Я ничего не вижу. Вверху у тебя.
Нет, наверху.
Наверху во вкладках закрой крестик.
Сейчас. Да я его не вижу, просто этот крестик.
Мы видим.
Ну, вкладку закрыть просто. Вверху вот в строке. Чуть выше. Чего он не может увидеть?
Когда экран расшариваешь от зума, полосочка наверху.
Да, сверху, и он не может из-за этого. Ее перенести вправо можно.
Все. Антон, нажми, там есть стрелочка, у зелененькой полоски есть стрелочка рядом. Нажми на нее, у тебя опустится панель вниз. Не все закрывай, отмена нажми. Отмена здесь нажми.
Cancel.
Отмена. Вверху у зеленой штучки, у зума есть стрелочка такая маленькая.
Все, я уже отплыл, я его не спустил.
Спустил вниз, просто у нас тормозит. Теперь закрывай все, что тебе нужно, все тесты, которые тебе нужно закрыть. Да. Закрыть. Ага.
А то, что не сохранить?
В заданиях, которые тебе нужно пройти. И заходи в папку участника номер 1. I'm sorry that I need to talk in Russian. We will just ask Anton to fill the competitors test in a digital things. Open the measurement digital. And open the measurement digital.
Что нужно открыть?
Катя, переводи последовательно, говори, я буду по-английски переводить.
Не, я понял, вот это вот. Правильно? Это
да,
первый?
Ну, тест открой.
Да.
Тест открой.
Это у меня задание. Нет, зайди в задание. Антон, зайди в задание. Задание, да. Ищи там последнее задание должно быть. 3-й день. Вот, стой. Да, вот. Открывай. Первый ком. Не, это 3-й. Ком 1.
Now Anton goes to the task digital sketching measurement. Open the task competitor number 1. Type your name here. And we are checking together the aspect for competitor number 1. We have sheet number 3. So you can put yes.
Да, имею, пойди.
Yes.
Next one, we have to download the file on your computer and check the resolution.
Скачай файл на компьютер.
Антон, у тебя есть Photoshop, я надеюсь?
Не, я принес ноут, к сожалению. Вы знаете, у меня постоянно что-то ломается.
Я понял. Давайте я сейчас быстро скачаю, иначе мы тут просидим до позднего вечера со всеми этими вещами. Я сейчас кину скриншот в чат. Dear expert, we have some issues about the Photoshop. I will load it, the work from the Japanese competitor. We'll open in Photoshop and make a screenshot and send it in our chat.
А не нужен Photoshop.
Ну я уже...
Там JPEG.
Ну, я просто буду показывать. Так.
No, it's no. Because PNG.
Как добавлять файлы? Да, могу. Мой компьютер.
Да, Андрей, у него в PNG
формате. It's PNG.
Okay.
It's no.
Можно сразу.
So, according to the file format, we have a PNG format. So this is no, and right here that it's a PNG, not JPEG. Next one, object is shown in front of you, free inverse 4 aspect angle. Let's look on the file.
Открой работу.
Так, контролируйте, человек тормозит. Блин, я уже хочу закончить. Я уже устал. Так.
Yep.
Open. It probably could say that front view in this appearance, but if it's the same, and view, honestly, it's possible to say that we have two sides, front and view, but could you please look at the manual sketches just to be sure that the opposite side in the same like in front? Антон, можешь ты посмотреть чертежи ручные, чтобы убедиться, что вид спереди и сзади одинаковый у человека? потому что здесь они одинаковые. Посмотреть где-то, есть ли это, показывает нам это. I can't see that. Please hold on. Please hold on. The previous. Can you not this one? Another one.
Другой.
Вниз предыдущий, да, вот здесь. I disagree that the end view provided us correct, because can you see here that in the front side we have like a pat, I don't know how to say, like a pat hand, but in opposite side we have a just slice surface of this object. So only from one side we have some like a texture, and another side it's just slice surface. On the digital sketch, Антон, вернись, пожалуйста, в электронный этот. On the digital sketch, we can see that each side have the texture and no any clear providing information that the another side is should be sliced like in manual sketches. So, in my opinion, again, it's not why I would like to do something. In my opinion, that this aspect is not provided for us correct. Please type in the chat each aspect if you really agree with this opinion, or you disagree and you are decided that this is yes correct, this aspect. That we have an end view. I agree that we have a front view, but I disagree that we have an end view in properly way. Антон, поставь, пожалуйста, на front view, да? Вот на end view нет пока. Не, на end view пока ничего не ставь. Ну, front view правильно сделан, 3/4.
Там нету 3/4, там 2/4.
Сколько там?
Там вверх не видно. Там же это как кубик должен быть. Там не верхней части не видно. It's not 3/4.
Не, ну видно верхняя, просвечивается. Вот верхушку, вот я вверху вижу, все равно ее. Толщину я вижу, верхнюю поверхность.
Okay.
Ну, это мое мнение. Вы можете доказать, что нет. What about experts? We have some arguments and issues that one of us decided and suggest that this is not free inverse 4 view for the object, because it's not clear visible the top view of the object. If you also agree with that, please let us know in the Zoom chat, and we will, according to your answers, we will decide it and we will choose the answer. Expert, I know that you are tired. We have just a small part of making a job hour. Otherwise, we have to spend more time together. Please let's move on quickly and finish the job. This is a reality of the competition. Or otherwise, we will do it instead of you, because you are not active to participate in the training. This is not good. If you are decided, please be active and try to work with us hard as we. So Dilram agree that this is a front view. Poor and or Chengjun Huan decided that this is not right, not correct view. What about Lisa from Dr. Fan? Are you agree that the front view is correct or disagree? And what about the end view? Okay, so Dilaram, no. And what about the end view? I agree that the criteria is incorrect, because from the manual sketching, we can see the slice surface, or by the digital sketching, we can see that the opposite side also have some texture and picture or pattern of the object. So, Anton, for what doesn't mean no, you disagree with me that the end view is.
I agree with you. I
okay.
agree with you. I think it's not an end view of the product.
I see. So expert decided that front view and end view is incorrect. You can put here that no. Антон, ставь и там нет. В первом случае пиши, что плохо просматривается, верхняя область.
Don't sit up.
Да все там видно. Что вы это?
Ну, эксперты приняли такое решение. Что я могу сделать?
Я даже специально стрелкой показывал.
Ну, я тоже согласен, что там видно. Но я не могу участвовать в оценке, вы участвуете только.
Кирилл тоже не участвует в оценке, если что.
Навел смуту. Вы
Вот именно.
Кирилл, тебе минус.
Не быстрее. Что писать?
Пиши no top view. Clear. No top view clear. No top view clear.
Скажите по буквам.
Clear. Clear. C, L, C, no, C, L. Все остальное корректно, только C. S русская, да, все. No top view. В, извиняюсь, я понял, что было. V, I, E, W. В как галочка. В как галочка. Позорище, мои эксперты. I.
Ну, написал правильно. Дальше E, дальше W последнее.
W последнее. Умничка, пробел. Good. Next one. No. And here you can see that the opposite.
Ой.
А это же не то.
Что не то?
Это же не про зад. А там же указано размер, нет?
Почему? Это про...
Это про размер. Dimensions.
Да. I'm sorry, expert, that the next aspect about the dimensions, and we can see the dimensions, so it's yes. Yeah. Clear the, yeah. Remove. Yeah. I'm sorry. This is my mistake. Yes. Yeah, this is correct. No.
Ура, последняя.
Подожди. Что ты торопишься? Я не понимаю.
Последняя no, это вот как раз...
The last one, no. The last one, no. And right here, the opposite side, opposite, как доллар. Side, пробел, side. Да, 2P, правильно. Thank you, Dilarom. Double P.
Через D.
Антон, 2P, напиши в оппозит.
Короче, смотри, в этом чате себе написали правильно.
Opposite side. Doesn't match to the manual sketches. Doesn't. D-O-E-S-N-T. Doesn't match. M-A-T-C-H. To manual sketches. S как доллар. S K E T C H. Да, отправляй. Следующий открывай тест. Срочно учить язык всем.
Yes, sir.
I'm just angry on my.
Я когда форму провожу, я дружу с английским, а вот не знаю, почему такая.
You have to type your name. Open the digital sketching of the competitor number 2. So go to the folder competitor 2. Иди в папку второго участника. Катерина, контролирую по-русски. Я по-английски, по-русски болтаю.
Почему? Я все.
Он просто не успевает действовать. Все понимает.
Так, что у нас тут? JPEG. Надо скачивать, проверять разрешение. Я скачаю, сейчас вышлю.
Давайте я тоже проверю быстро.
Там...
Третьего участника брось просто скриншот в этот. Так будет быстрее. Я второго, ты третьего скачиваешь. Так, Катерина, пока контролирую процесс, я буду говорить, что там. Dear expert, we have decided to finish quickly because everybody was already tired, and I understand these kind of things. So we will help to Anton and provided all the information which you need for to be sure that you understand the properly criteria which we have from the competitor. So, не скажешь, что здесь разрешение, блин, здесь только по верху и по низу сделано.
Антон, первый можно yes поставить, там наличие листа, наличие файла вообще. Дальше формат А4, JPEG.
Так, поехали. I'm ready.
Да просто сделай скриншот и отправь в чат, чтобы все эксперты видели. So, dear experts, you can load the screenshot from the competitor number 2, and I can say that the original dimension of the file is 1169 to 827 pixels. So not 2500, and resolution is 100. You can load the file from the chat and see the parameters. Just to be sure.
Антон.
Что ставить?
Не соответствует.
Пиши.
Можно писать 100 dpi там все.
100 напиши. Пиши 100 dpi.
Сколько?
Is it clear? Can you load it the screenshot of the files? Why we put here no 100 dpi?
Все, я вот жду, ага.
И напиши, что разрешение, это размер. Размер 1169 на 827.
А я правильно пишу?
1169 на 827.
1169
на 827. PX. Так, angle 3/4. Там есть, насколько я понимаю. Открой еще раз, покажи файл. On the front and on the and dimensions we have. Yes. Good. Submit. Кирилл, ты выбросил в чат последний?
Я скинул. Просто картинку скачал. А у меня, я не знаю, как скриншот.
Куда ты скинул? В чат ты можешь просто кинуть файл, как я кинул?
Как ты сделал скриншот?
Зайди в чат, и там есть файл прикрепить. Прикрепи туда скриншот. So the last one, and we will finish our day today. So we have this file. Кирилл, не вижу твоего. So we will load it again, screenshot about the parameters of the file into the chat, just to...
No, PDF.
Нет, не это надо было открыть. Антон, надо было открыть электронный файл.
А я что сделал?
А ты открыл ручной.
Ой, ё, все.
Да, вот это.
Вот.
So you can also load the information about the last competitor and see that the information is... Что мне он показывает?
Кирилл, ты открывал, скажи, размеры соответствуют, нет?
Да. Там 2500
Да?
на одной стороне прям четко. Вот я скинул даже специально.
Так, куда я загружаю, у меня он... А, вот он. Сейчас. So the last file, and you can see that the...
Но только там 100 точек.
Подожди, а у меня вообще мне не тот показывает. Почему мне показывает?
Значит, не соответствует.
Не соответствует, это должно быть 100 DPI, да, я сейчас сами посмотрел.
А ты точно
No, значит.
участника? Кирилл.
Проверь через Photoshop, можете проверить.
Я открываю, у меня второй участник открывается.
Нет, вот смотри, я скинул SDA, FAS называется.
Ну да, там только resolution тоже 100. А там сколько resolution?
300, по-моему.
Антон, ну.
So,
Антон.
for the last competitor, we have resolution less than 3 DPI. So here, no. But the size, the length size 2500, but the resolution less, it's just 100 DPI. So it's incorrect. Антон, пиши 100 DPI. Поехали дальше. Теперь view. Смотрим, что у нас там по view. I can't see the correct view of free inverse 4. Not from top and not from, it's just from back side and from just front side, not from the 3 and 4 perspective side. It's incorrect. And dimension correct. Here, no perspective view, no perspective view.
Что по букву В?
Через T только надо было писать.
Где?
Так уже.
Не, давайте как надо.
Перспектив через C. После вот Никей русскую. Нет, здесь все правильно было. S, дальше Никей, а C. Да. И Е на конце.
Да.
No perspective view.
Так же, как было наверху 4 буквы. Нет, W последний.
Да.
Друзья, мы уже потеряли больше половины людей там из этой секции. Надо продумывать, как проводить нормально.
Я записал.
Короче, никого не буду пускать, кто плохо будет говорить по-английски. Вот что хотите, то и делайте. Будете сидеть у меня только внутри страны.
Так, у нас трансляция на YouTube идет, хватит вам.
Как писать?
Через I.
V-I-E-W. V-I-E-W. Dear expert, I really apologize to make you busy from this list. Иди дальше. Дальше ставь нет. Dimensions yes. Dimensions yes. Dimensions yes.
Скажите вот эту как написать.
I и Е. Напиши еще Е.
Да.
Все.
Здесь yes.
Здесь yes.
It's about dimensions. We have dimensions on the slide. Yes, no. No
perspective. Скопируй оттуда. No perspective, где было.
Great, submit. So stop sharing the screen. Let's make the conclusion of our meeting. Anton, please stop sharing your screen.
Антон, отключи трансляцию.
Thank you. Dear experts, dear competitors, I apologize just to be so long to make the measurement and judgment procedure. It's just first time when we will try to organize this process in online format. And of course, as a first time, we had some issues and problem to solve. I very thank you, all of you, to be with us for a long time today. And I hope that you find science procedure. We will correct all the results from you till tomorrow. Tomorrow we will present all our works and score for the competitors who participated in this day and in this model. Also tomorrow we will continue to introduce you to all theory and methodics to the 3D modeling and animation and renders with presentation for the model 2. And after that, we will give your competitors to do the model 2. Thank you very much for your time today, and please be safe. And I hope that tomorrow we again will have quite productive day and learn more about the industrial design technology. Please take care of yourself, and see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for being today with us.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.